How to spin the wheel on Temu. Temu offers the spin the wheel features which allows users to earn discount and reward. Now to access this feature, first of all launch the Temu application and make sure that your application is up to date. After you open up the application, you may encounter the prompt to spin the wheel. If not, look for the banner or icon labeled spin the wheel on the home page or within the promotion section. If you can't find it there, then you have to tap on new icon at the bottom of this interface. Tap on credits and free gifts. Once you're here, you have to tap on redeem credit. But here, please note that the availability and the frequency of spin the wheel features may vary based on your location and current promotions. So you might not find that spin the wheel features based on your locations and the current promotions. But if you're not able to find that, then check for the promotions or ensure the application is up to date. You can always try reopening the application and check notifications whenever the spin the wheel sends the notifications for special events, or if the feature is still missing, then you can contact to the customer support. But if you have that spin the wheel feature in your application, then all you have to do is tap on the spin button to activate the wheel, and the wheel will spin and land on a segment indicating your reward, which could be a discount, coupon, or any other promotional offer. After the wheel stops, follow some on-screen instructions to claim your reward, and some rewards may require you to add items to your cart or complete a purchase to redeem. And that's how you can claim your reward through the spin the wheel on Temu. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.